Most LandCruiser engines are slowly destroying themselves and the owners don't even realise it. Right now, every time your engine runs, microscopic carbon particles are circulating through the oil and lubrication system. This not only increases fuel consumption, but it also attacks your camshafts, crankshafts, cylinder walls, turbochargers, and gradually wears critical components of the powertrain. As for your factory oil filter, it's not stopping it. The factory oil filtration system uses a full flow filter. The full flow filter is designed for optimum flow whilst filtering the larger carbon particles, not for ultra-fine filtration. The reason diesel oil typically turns black so quickly is because of full flow filtration, which only filters down to around 20 microns. The real damage and the real wear happens between 2 and 20 microns. Those tiny particles pass straight through the factory full flow filter and cause continuous wear and abrasive damage to key components. On this VDJ78 behind me, we're installing an oil bypass filtration system. The oil bypass filtration system is one of the most effective upgrades you can have for long-term engine protection. Bypass filtration works alongside the factory full flow filter. The bypass filter continuously filters a small portion of oil down to 2 microns. This means removing the particles that actually cause the wear. Over time, the complete oil and lubrication system becomes significantly cleaner. This reduces long-term wear, maintains engine efficiency and improves fuel economy. Now factor in EGR. From factory, vehicles equipped with exhaust gas recirculation systems recirculate soot and carbon particles from the combustion process back into the intake. That process further contaminates the engine oil in addition to the initial combustion process. And this is where most people get it wrong. Catch cans do not remove soot from the engine oil, and in many cases, particularly on Toyota engines, they cause no end of hassle, including excessive crankcase pressure. They lead to leaks, blow-by issues, and just generally long-term damage. The oil bypass filter, despite being 98.7% efficient, is super cost-effective. It only requires replacement every 60,000 miles, that's 96,500 kilometres, or every 2 years, whichever occurs first. Moreover, the extra quart of oil adds additional capacity and cooling properties to the lubrication system. And it's not specific to just the LandCruiser. Almost any modern diesel car, truck, tractor, or even boat can be equipped with one of our oil bypass filtration kits. If you want your engine to last longer, run cleaner, and use less fuel, get in touch with us about bypass filtration.